Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So before we go ahead with the video, I'll show you what I just created. So these are some of the images, posters that I just created with the photos that I took in my mobile phone. So you can also do the same thing. In this video, I'm going to show you the tutorial on how. Yeah, so to start with, these are some of the input images that I gave to the tool. I'll show you how I created these. So for example, I started with a base image, and then you can use the following prompt. You can edit the prompt the way you want. I'll share the same in the YouTube description as well. And I got the first iteration in which I wanted the text to be changed and then the design to be changed, but it still stayed the same. And then I added multiple iterations of the text editing to the same image generation. And you can, like, anyone with a ChatGPT can do this. It depends on how many, it depends on your subscription, how many images that you can generate. So I have a ChatGPT Go subscription, so I was able to generate roughly 10 images to 10 to 15 images. And yeah, so this is the base image I shared, and then this was the poster that was generated, and another image I shared. This one I searched and downloaded from the internet. We are now using the same image as the base, and I requested it to add more technical depth in the description, so that is added here. And the same way for all the other posters as well. So here you can see, here I ran into a problem. So when I was creating the posters continuously in succession to each other, I was not able to generate the image. So if you get this error, you don't have to worry. So just take a look at the second last to the second line. So basically it is ChatGPT's way of not letting us attack its servers. So it is a way to prevent DDoS attack on image generation servers from ChatGPT's end. So when you hit the rate limit, you just have to look at the time limit. After 2 minutes you can generate. So I retried immediately. I was not able to generate it. After a minute I was able to generate the image. So this is one of the things. And yeah, so this is the base image I took and added the same prompt, didn't change anything. I received the appropriate color grading, the gradients, the text, the fonts, everything is pre-configured into the prompt that we're sharing. And you can request, you can be as creative as possible. You can change stuff in this as well. And in some of the earlier iterations I was trying some different things out. So yeah, so these are some of the layouts that I've been trying out using multiple angles of the same car. So this I can share the same this prompt as well, so where you have to upload multiple images, and you can use that to create a base image, like we also call it as a hero image in the poster design. And you can have multiple angles which will make it look a kind of busy. I wanted it to be very minimal, so I created the later prompt. And this is one of the images that so these are multiple images that I gave so that the image generation tool knows what it is generating. And this is the final image that we received, and the resolution is honestly not bad. And like, it can go into some more iterations. Here if you can see, the Porsche logo is not Porsche logo, and then the text is cut off. So we just have to go through a couple of iterations to reach whatever we are rooting for. And this is one of the things that you can expect to see. So here I asked it to use the same prompt, but the instead of generating an image, it generated a technique on how I can generate the image. So basically it generated a prompt for me to use. You can just ignore it. I stopped it in the middle. You can ignore it, and then a fix for it would be, so I retried the same thing with a different image. You can just add generate image colon, and then you can start putting the same prompt again. And here if you can see, again I hit the rate limit, but this time it's for 18 minutes. This is similar to how we have iPhone's lock screen. So if you retry. Like if you put the wrong password multiple times, the first time it will give you 1 minute cooldown period, and then like 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and then it will keep increasing. So that's what happened here. So it gave me 18 minutes image generation limit, and then I tried after like roughly 6 minutes, so it got 12 minutes. And again, when I asked it for retry, like it's hitting the rate limit. So if you have a better ChatGPT plan, you'd be able to bypass this issue won't occur for you. So like if you don't, it is doesn't matter, you can just wait and then it's generate once your cooldown period is done. So this is the final like base image that I took, and then I've used the following prompt here. Finally we got the required result. Here the same thing, the text and the poster logo is not good. So for this, what we can do is I can download a Porsche logo and then upload it into the same chat, request it to generate like add that particular logo here, so it will generate a like complete poster. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you have any doubts or on anything, you can just let me know. If you want another video on how to do this with Gemini, I'll do another video as well. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.